Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You, and you must have seen the thumbnail, how to cheat in online examination. There are a lot of AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, DeepSeek, etc. And most of the MNCs like Accenture, Infosys, Cognizant, Capgemini, Deloitte NLA, IBM, all are conducting the examination online. So we are very much able to utilize all these tools. But one thing you must have observed, many of you are not hearing back from the company after you write the examination or after you give the interview. Friends, if you are able to use the AI tools so effectively, the company who are developing this, the company has very good engineers. They will be also able to use the AI tools very effectively. That is what we are going to talk in this particular video. I request all of you to please do watch the video and like this video so that it should reach to the student and they should understand that there is nothing more than skills. Okay, there are nothing more than skills, so that we need to develop it. Otherwise you must have read the news. So in February 2025, Infosys laid off 300 to 700 freshers from its Mysuru campus as they failed mandatory internal assessment, and that too in the 3 attempts. That is what we are going to talk about. So we know so many tools, right? So we have ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, DeepSeek, and there are so many tools. Other two AI tools are there. So we are able to use this tool to get the answers of your aptitude questions, reasoning questions, coding questions, right? Even during the interview also many of you are able to use. And how it is happening is basically, so sir, even though they have the safe browser, right? So you have one laptop here, okay, where you have the safe browser installed, okay, here questions are coming and then you have to give the answer. So you have another laptop, okay, or mobile, whatever it is, okay, your mobiles and laptop, your friend is sitting near to you, right? So so they will say, okay, this eye detection tools are there, or so many tools are there, right? So he will capture a photo, give it to ChatGPT, right? And then you will be able to get the MCQs and all. Like, it is for MCQ and all, it is very much useful, this kind of tools, right? Okay, but friends, even the company has so many tools to detect this. If you are going for coding, so we have this plagiarism checker, right? So they have the gaze tracking, facial recognition, object detection, 360-degree environment scans, voice recognition. So there are a lot of tools even they have integrated or they are going to integrate. So if they detect anything, right, so either your interview is getting cancelled or your exam is getting cancelled, or you are not able to get the result of that examination. So this is part of all those things. So they are also, now they have started checking it, all those things. And friends, the students who are really good, they are putting effort, but we are not intelligent than the computer. That we see in terms of, like, now if you have some calculation, right? So whatever, see, if somebody says, no sir, I am more intelligent than the machines, okay, so you multiply and see how much time you are taking, you give it to machine at least. So this kind of whatever objective questions are there, MCQ questions are there, you will be able to immediately get the answer, okay. But when you are able to use all these techniques, right, so companies also are coming with different methods, okay. Friends, getting involved in cheating during the exam, you are losing the opportunity, so please don't do it, okay. So when you are involved in all those things, you lose your focus, okay. And if by chance anything is getting detected, right, so you are going to lose the opportunity then and there itself. You are spending so much time into all those things, and see, because many students are coming nowadays, sir, I'm not getting a response from this, I'm not getting response from that. Some of them will come and say, sir, I used ChatGPT and I got selected also. But if you use some kind of tools and you got selected, right, then these are the students, 300 to 700 students, right, who are not able to clear the assessment in 3 attempts, and then they are getting removed from the company. Now every company has the internal test. Wipro, they have the pre-skill training. Infosys, they have this assessment. Okay, Accenture, so they have some primers and then domain based trainings, right? So everywhere you have 2 to 3 attempts, you have to score 60%, 70%. So instead of doing all those things, let us focus on our skills. I am also learning now data analytics, latest technology. I am also learning now because it is required for everyone to update their skills. And being a fresher, you have to put effort, understand, and then only you will be able to clear the exam. See, TCS, they are conducting the exams offline because they came to know online exams we are not going to get the very good candidate. Today in 2025, in 2026, if somebody is getting selected in TCS for digital role, for prime role, I can write down and give that that candidate is very good candidate. But today if somebody getting selected in Accenture, you will not be able to say if he or she is talented or not. If somebody is getting selected in Cognizant, you will not be able to say if he or she is talented or not. So you need to find out a unique talent. Infosys SPDSC role, how many are getting selected? Because the exams are happening offline at centers and their coding level is very, very good. Infosys system engineer, so whenever the exams are happening online, that's all gone. So I request to all the candidates, please enhance your skills, work on your skills. Okay, put effort here. Without putting effort, no, it's not easy to survive in IT industry, in software industry. Don't take help of all this tool because you are losing the opportunity if you are getting caught because of any tools which the companies are using during the examination. Okay friends, unlike TCS, every company cannot have offline examination. The reason is very clear here. See, they are not charging any money from you, right? If you write bank exams, okay, if you write government exams, bank exams, SSC exams, you have to pay the application fees because your exams will be at center and SSC or banking has to pay the amount. So that amount they're taking from you. But TCS, they won't take any money from you, and still at TCS ION center the exams will be conducted. So TCS is paying for all those things, but they are not charging you any money, right? So offline, it's not easy to conduct the examination, but going forward the companies will be either conducting the examination at offline, and the students are also struggling from one place to another place. The student has to travel, but company can at least make sure that they are going to hire the right talent. Companies bringing gamified aptitude where AI also cannot help you. So now a lot of you see Capgemini gamified aptitude, Cognizant gamified aptitude, Accenture gamified aptitude. So all three earlier, Capgemini had this normal aptitude problems, Accenture had aptitude and reasoning. Now everything gone. Okay, they are now asking gamified aptitude because where AI cannot help you, even though you give the image, they cannot tell you how many minimum steps are required to reach to the goal or whole, whatever it is. Okay, so here you focus. Okay, so in that you need to understand it. Okay, and please avoid this. There are a lot of Telegram group is there which will help people to crack the examination, but how will you survive in IT company, right? So you have to develop. If you develop your skill now, then once you join the company, these things will not happen. Reason for layoff: the trainee failed the generic foundation training program. See, they are not asking IIT level some questions. They are not asking Microsoft level of coding. They are not asking lead code difficult questions. No, they will train you, and that is what the assessment will happen. Okay, so Infosys stated that this is standard long standing practice to ensure high quality talent, and the affected employees are offered free upskilling for potential roles in the BPM industry. So if you are not skilling yourself, then only this BPM industry and all, only we will be able to get a job, right? See friends, learn things, focus on, you see, from wherever you want you learn. Go buy some kind of courses, buy data analytics course, buy data science course, buy programming course, whatever you want to do, you do. Okay, see, all these courses we don't offer, but I want you to upskill yourself, and don't be victim of this getting caught during the examination and then you don't get response. You were losing the very good opportunity. Now Deloitte NLA exam is there. So for Deloitte NLA exam, you prepare by yourself. Lot of videos we will be putting it on our channel. Many of you are thinking, if the exams are online, why should I prepare? Because tomorrow you will not hear back anything from the company, and then you'll not even know the reason, because they will not tell you that we caught you during the exams, we are blacklisting you. All those things they will not do. Simple, you will not be getting any response from the company. So understand that and try to enhance your knowledge, try to enhance your skill. From today you start, nothing is very late. Okay, so the day you start is the day when you decided to work on your career, and you will definitely be succeeding. Thank you, take care, all the very, very best. I do not want to make this video too long, and definitely the thumbnail, right, the thumbnail is has created in such a way that you come and see and you understand the problems, what is happening with the student, and you don't do that. Thank you, take care, all the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself.